Welcome to DynaMaker Features, Static Sketches. Did you know that you can use your own sketches in DynaMaker? It's very simple. In order to use them in DynaMaker, start by having them in a suitable 2D format like DXF as we do here. Once you have them ready, upload them to your application under Files and make sure to create static sketches out of them by checking the box underneath. You will then see them under the Static Sketches section, which means that they are ready to use. Next, go into your component where you want to add them. In this case, assembly. Make sure to import your assets at the top of the code section and simply add them by typing assets.staticsketches. As you type, you will see all the static sketches available from the dashboard. Then these models can be included with other components like in these industrial flow racks. Keep in mind that since it's still a sketch, you can perform other sketch operations like mirroring, rotation, scaling, or cuts, and even add it to a layout with a different color or style. Do you want to know more? Check out our documentation at docs.dynamaker.com.